The first place we'll be visiting with our Google Arts and Culture app is the Tokyo Fuji Art Museum, built in 1983. The museum houses some 30,000 works which span the arts and cultures of Japan, Asia, and Europe, taking touring exhibitions to other countries as well. Let's review how to use the Google Arts and Culture app so you can complete your upcoming assignments. I will begin by clicking on the Google Arts and Culture app, which will then direct me to the app's home screen. I'll click Explore, followed by Street View. From there, I will scroll down until I find the variety of museums and galleries available on the app. I can scroll left or right until I find the Tokyo Fuji Art Museum. Here, I can virtually walk around the main gallery area. If you walk directly up to an artwork of interest, you will see a small label appear in the lower corner, indicating the piece's title and creator. Click the label for more information about the artwork. Many answers to your Google Classroom assignments can be found in the information here. You can also search artworks or find pieces included in assignment questions by scrolling along the lower bar. Not all artworks included in the virtual walking tour have a corresponding label, so this is a very helpful tool. Here we see I've clicked on the oil painting Princesse Yusupov by the 18th century female artist Elisabeth Vergy-Lebrun. High-definition quality of the Google Arts and Culture app enables me to zoom in on the image to see the painting's minute details, such as the crackling of the oil paint here. Your assignments in Google Classroom will predominantly require that you gather facts about an artwork, view the pictures up close to discover more about an artist's methods and techniques, and express your own opinions about the artworks selected. Now that we understand the basics behind the Google Arts and Culture app, please go to the next video to review how to submit your answers in Google Classroom.